This video guide is about getting rid of the online scam related to the website Storeoriginalextremelyinfo-program.info. So if you ever see these pop-ups by this site, Storeoriginalextremelyinfo-program.info, remember that these pop-ups are fake. They claim to be related to the well-known security software, but this is not true. Such pop-ups instead are the result of some adware on your computer. So if you see them on your screen, make sure you just disregard what they tell you. Don't install what they promote. Instead, just leave this deceptive page. I also recommend you to additionally investigate your computer with the help of reliable antivirus, and I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner antivirus for this purpose. Get it on the website combocleaner.com. Use the green download Combo Cleaner button, install the software, and then start carefully researching the system in order to detect and remove other infections fully from your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.